Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new auto scroll feature on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to show you how you can activate the auto scroll feature on your Instagram. I'm going to go to the Reels section right here and wait, I'm going to choose one of the reels from my FYP and you can click on this three dots guys, and here you will see auto scroll feature, and as you can see that it's new. If you want to activate it, just click on this toggle. Okay, and now the auto scroll feature has been activated, and with this feature guys, you don't need to scroll with your finger. Just let the Instagram scroll your reels. Scroll the reels on your FYP. And yeah, I think this is not a useful feature, but yeah, it will help you when you want to scroll without your fingers. But if you can't find this auto scroll feature on your Instagram guys, I recommend you to go to Play Store or Apple Store. If you are iOS user, you need to update your Instagram, and then you will have this auto scroll feature. Okay, as you can see, it has been scrolled without scrolling it. Okay, and to update your Instagram, you can go to the Play Store. If you are Android user, just type in Instagram like this, and you will see update button on the Instagram if it needs to be updated, but mine is already updated guys. And if you are iOS user, just go to your Apple Store, and to disable the feature, just go back to this option and click on this toggle button to turn off the auto scroll feature. Okay, that's it. And yeah, okay guys, that's how you can activate the auto scroll feature, which is new feature on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.